Hey, what's going on? It is Paul Farmer. This is my trading journey, episode 21. And what I'm doing here is just sharing with you uh, just my journey, learning this high income skill called Forex trading. And, I'm just sharing the up, sharing the down, sharing what I'm learning, sharing my experience, sharing some of the trades I've been taking, why I'm taking them, what I've been, all that fun stuff. So, um, before I get into it, I do hope you had a great Christmas because I don't think I've done a video since Christmas or before Christmas. So I hope you had a great Christmas. We are in the last few days of 2020, which is unreal, but we're moving into 2021, and who knows what the future holds, right? But let's be optimistic and positive. I'm very excited that I've been blessed to learn this skill, to be able to learn this skill. And the way I'm learning it is I'm part of this trading community where they provide A to Z education, both recorded and live trading education, plus our community is just fabulous. Our network is filled with very, very successful traders that love to share their value as well, love to share their techniques, their strategies. And, these people are making anywhere four figures, five figures a day and up, some of them up. So, very valuable. If you'd like to know more about it, about our trading community, about why I am doing what I'm doing, definitely click the link above or just reach out to me. And before I get started with my update today, I do want to say one more thing. Okay, there have been some changes made. I was actually going to do a video yesterday going over how my day went yesterday, but I'm going to do that today because we went to we actually went to the movies. We saw Wonder Woman. My wife wanted to see that, so we went and saw that. First time I've been to the movies since like March, since they were shut down. Never appealed to me to go watch a movie with a mask. So, but it wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad. The theater was pretty empty, to be honest. Kind of feel bad for the theaters just because they've been taking such a hit. But yeah, we did that, and I came back, and it's like I had to hop on this meeting. It got really late. I just didn't have a chance to do a video, so here I am today doing that. But anyway, just to keep it real short, there are some changes that have been made. We're having some new products that are being added into our online university. Some of the products that are being added are binary options. So we're going to have binary options trading, and there's going to be indice training. We're going to have a US 30 academy, which is exciting because US 30 is like the pair that the more advanced traders like to go to because that thing just pays so much. It moves so fast, and it pays really. If you know what you're doing, it can pay you very, very well. I know a guy, and I've said this before. He's been trading for about 12 weeks. He started brand new, went through our trading community, went through our university, our online university, and he's literally doing, about on average about 8K a day on average in about 12 weeks. He started this, didn't know anything. Okay. So, and now all he does is US 30, NAS 100. That's all he does now. And he just makes a killing. The other day, he had almost an $80,000 day. Absolutely incredible. I can't say I've done that. Okay. I guess I'm a little slower learner, apparently. All right. So anyway, here we go. Let me just go over. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. Share my screen as long as my mouse works. There we go. There we go. That should do the trick. All right. So I'm going to hop over here. I'm actually going to trade right now. I should be sharing my screen. Hopefully I am. But anyway, I'm in this trade right now. And this particular trade is odd USD. And the reason I got into this is because my son came out and he trades too. He's 16 and he's been learning how to trade as well, takes his own trades. And he took this trade and he caught it up here actually and has wrote it down so far. I got a little further in. But the reason I looked at it and decided to get into it is because on the hour here, I have this, let me just close this. I have this zone up here. You can see prices come up here and stopped, right? It's come up here, hit this zone, It broke it a little bit. But then, like, if you look at it, every time prices come up to the zone, we do, because what we do is we look back at the history, right? What price did before. So I look back and I noticed, okay, so at this zone, when price cut, aside from this, where it went up a little bit, when price comes back to this zone, it drops. I mean, look at this drop here. Look at this drop. This is a bigger drop. Look at this drop right here. It came up, wicked up, and dropped all the way down. Look at that. All the way down. I don't know how many pips that is. That's a good amount of pips, I believe. Let's see here. Can never see. 150 pips or so, 160 pips on odd USD. So that's quite a few pips on odd. This is a slower moving pair. So what I notice is it comes up, it drops. It comes up, it drops. Okay. So make that a little bigger. So when I saw this over here on the hour, okay, hitting the zone, this here, this pattern here, this is a railroad pattern, okay, or you call it tweezer top. That's an indication of a reversal pattern. I decided to get in for the sell. So the trade hasn't finished. Obviously, it's still barely going. This is on the hour. But I'm anticipating it coming down to at least here. So we'll see how that plays out. But the reason I say that is because it went down that far before. So I'm just going off of structure, off of past history, price history, right? So that's what I'm doing there, okay? I'm going to switch over to a couple trades I caught yesterday, which was Monday, okay? This was gold. And probably not going to be able to read this. Let me see if I can spread it out a little bit. What was this? I took 2 trades yesterday. That's all I took. You can see I caught 112 pips on gold, 95 pips on gold as well. So a total of 207 pips yesterday. I got in these on my own, okay, just based on the education that's provided in our trading community. So let me see here. And when I started this, everybody was like, "Oh no, don't do gold. Gold is too fast. Gold is too scary." But I actually am kind of a fan of gold. So just need to figure out where I entered this trade. Okay, here, getting closer. All right, here we go. So this was my ride yesterday. Okay, this is what I took. I'm going to break it down, what I saw, why I entered. So for starters, I noticed that gold was in this area, okay, the zone, basically. So I marked it off here. You can see, I don't know if I did it on the hour. I can't remember. But you can see that I marked it off. Let's make that bigger. This over. Anyway, it was bouncing. I added a few more zones since, but it was basically staying in this area. Okay. It hasn't really gone out of this area. So I marked that up. And today it's been staying in a very small area. This little area here. Like, it hasn't done anything really. I don't think I'm even showing you the right price. Let me see. Where is it? Okay, so here we are. Now you can see it. I'll delete this so you can see it better. All right, here we go. So you can see it's just kind of staying in this area here. Like, it's not really going out of it. It's just staying there, right? So I marked up the lower zone here, with this one here and this one here. And then if I go down to the 5-minute, what I noticed here, I gotta go back because that was yesterday. Okay, right here. This is a trade I caught yesterday. Let me go over it. So I talked about the zone. It was in this little area. I actually didn't have this zone marked yesterday. Just this and this, okay? And I saw this big wick right here. And I believe if I move up a few time frames, you're still going to see a wick. Yeah, see the wick right there? So that was kind of telling me, see this wick right here? This was telling me, okay, it's going to start moving up, right? So hope you're following me. All right. The other thing I noticed was we had a W pattern here. Okay. So there was like this W pattern right here, W. Okay. And where I entered the trade was just above the 50 moving average, this blue line. I waited till this closed. And I could have got in earlier, but I waited till this closed to be safe. And I wrote it up. Okay. And what did I say? 112 pips? Yeah, 112 pips. So I took this one up 112 pips. I got out. I didn't go all the way to the top here. Actually, I did, but I stayed in too long and I got out. Okay. So I got out. And then I noticed that I believe it was on the hour. Let me look at the hour again. This was yesterday. So yesterday. Doesn't help that I deleted everything. Now I don't know where to go. Let's see here. No. Push this. Okay, so now we're getting closer. Apologize. Okay, so on the hour, I can't remember why I got in it, to be honest. I think it was something like this here. I don't know if that's the right date. It's not the right date. This one? I saw something. I saw a pin bar at the top. That's what I saw. And unfortunately, I'm not. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Then you can see it better here. Let me zoom in. Okay, so this is what I saw. So it came up. I saw this pin bar at the top. See the pin bar. So I hopped back in, got the sell. All right, and that one went for 95 pips, I believe it was. All right, so that's what I did yesterday. Today, like I said, I was in the odd USD. I did take a short GU trade, but it was very short, very small amount. And then the odd USD, and I did do US 30. I don't remember where I entered this thing, but I was in it for a buy and it dropped. So that one I actually lost 500 pips on. Okay, so or it's like 50 pips, 500 points. That's kind of how it breaks down. So that's it. That's my update for today. 2 days actually. Today there really weren't many setups. I mean, I completely missed this sell. Completely did that wrong. That would have been a nice sell right there. That would have some people made some good money on this sell right here. Not I, but there were people that did for sure. See how it dropped. Now it looks like it's starting to push up, but actually the market's closed right now, so it's not doing anything. But it will open back up in like 15 minutes. But that's it. That's all I got for today. Let me head back over to here. I don't know if you were seeing me the whole time. Maybe you were. All right. So that's it. If you'd like to learn how to trade Forex, if you'd like to learn how to earn income daily like you can with this Forex market, over $6 trillion a day, go run through this. We have phenomenal education. Click the link and get started. 2021 is basically here. Now is the time to learn a skill that is going to pay you. Okay, learn a skill that you make your own paycheck. Learn a skill That doesn't require you to market or sell unless you want to and share this amazing thing with other people like I do. But that's it. That's all I got. Okay. So enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you on the next one.